Aloe vera is a well-known medical plant that individuals have used for hundreds of years. Aloe vera is a thick, short-stemmed plant that stores water in its leaves. It is best understood for dealing with skin injuries, however it has a number of other usages that might possibly benefit wellness. This video highlights the health and wellness benefits of aloe vera. 1. Wound healing. Individuals most often use aloe vera as a topical plant, rubbing it onto the skin rather than consuming it. Actually, it has a lengthy history of use in dealing with sores, and specifically burns consisting of sunburn. Researchers suggest that it is an efficient topical therapy for very first and also second-degree burns. For instance, a review of speculative studies found that aloe vera might reduce the recovery time of burns by around 9 days compared to traditional medication. It also assisted stop inflammation, itching, and also infections. The proof for aloe vera aiding recover other sorts of wound is undetermined, yet the research study is encouraging. 2. Constipation. Consuming aloe vera juice helps boost the water material in your intestines. Study has revealed a relationship in between enhancing the digestive water material as well as the stimulation of peristalsis, which aids you pass waste matter typically. If you're constipated or have problems with constant constipation, attempt including aloe vera juice right into your daily regimen. Aloe additionally assists normalize the healthy and balanced microorganisms in your digestive tract, maintaining your healthy and balanced intestinal tract plants well balanced. 3. Heartburn relief. Consuming alcohol aloe vera juice may give you relief when heartburn starts. The substances present in aloe vera juice help control secretion of acid in your stomach. The results have actually also been revealed to deal with gastric abscess as well as maintain them from getting larger. 4. Skin. Consuming aloe vera juice might help in reducing the frequency and also appearance of acne. It might additionally help reduce skin disease like psoriasis as well as dermatitis. Aloe vera has an abundant source of antioxidants as well as vitamins that might aid secure your skin. The important substances in aloe vera have actually additionally been shown to counteract the results of ultraviolet, UV, radiation, fix your skin from existing UV damages, and also help protect against great lines as well as creases. 5. Hair. Aloe vera includes proteolytic enzymes which repair services dead skin cells on the scalp. It works as a wonderful conditioner and also leaves your hair all smooth as well as shiny. It encourages hair development, stops itching on the scalp, limits dandruff as well as conditions your hair. Thank you for watching.